45 ACP that's put out by them, and it was purchased for $163 brand new online. We were shooting reloads out of those 9mm, but today we're going to be shooting 45 caliber Winchester white box. It cost us about $43 for a 100 round, but these are brand new compared to the reloads that we get out of the 9mm. We're going to do 3 magazines and 3 different ranges, and you guys can be the judge of what these inexpensive, durable, and very dependable weapons can do. So we hope you keep watching, and let's see what these high points can do. Okay, everyone, we're going to start out long. We're going to be at 30 feet with this 45. Let's see what it can do. Well, nothing in the bullseye, but we're still all in the 9 and 8. One out here in the 7, the first round. So at 30 feet with a 45 caliber ACP high point. Not one misfire, not one failure to feed. So we're going to go ahead and bring the target in on this next magazine and see what we get out of that. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, we're getting ready to shoot our second magazine. We're at 7 yards, which is 21 feet. We've come in about 9 feet from the first magazine. See what kind of grouping we get. So let's shoot it and find out. At 21 feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are all in the 9. We have one outside the 7 first round. Pretty good grouping for 21 feet for a $150 weapon. So we're going to do one more magazine, and we hope you guys are enjoying these high points and seeing what they'll really, really do. We're having fun doing them. We're having fun shooting for you guys here at S&IArsenal. We hope you enjoy what we're doing. One more magazine in that 45, and we'll be right back. Okay, everybody. This is our last magazine out of the high point, 45 ACP. We're at 3 yards or about 9 feet. You've seen what it's been doing. Let's see what it does here. Okay, if you see, we notice we went from a silhouette to a small handgun target. Not a bad group, but I know it's 10 feet. But for a $160 weapon, I think we're doing okay there. Not one failure to feed, not one failure to eject. Doing Winchester white box, brand new. So, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and bring my friend Tracy Bates in here for one more magazine, kind of a special hit. So, we're going to change out the target and do one final magazine. Stay tuned. Okay, Tracy, how far are you at? 15?
3 yards, 9 feet.
9 feet? Okay, this is our final round. Let's see how Tracy can shoot this weapon. Okay, everybody, we did 4 magazines out of this 45 just for y'all. And this is what Tracy did at 9 feet. You know what? You guys need to judge for yourself. People want to call these weapons boat anchors. Tell you not to drop them on your foot or they'll have to take you to the hospital and have your foot, sewn back on. So I think the proof was in the pudding right here. You didn't have one failure to feed, not one failure to eject, not one problem. You shot 9mm the last time you all were here. Those were all reloads. This was new factory ammo. But you let me the judge. High point firearms, cheap, dependable, durable, and pretty accurate. Thanks for joining us, and we'll be back next time. Keep watching S&IArsenal for solid gun reviews.